Good morning students. Today I am here with your first chapter, changes in a family. So students, already we have learned in our previous classes definition of family, classification of family. Classification of family, that means large family, joint family, single parent family, etc. So there are different reasons or different causes to divide or transition of family. So here we am going to learn transition of family. So what is the meaning of transition? Transition, the simple meaning of transition means changes. A definition of transition is the process of changing from one condition to another condition. Otherwise you can say one situation to another situation. This is called transition. Transition means change. Next one is migration. Migration of family or migration. What is the meaning of migration? Migration means movement. The simple meaning of migration means movement. The movement of one place to another place or one region to another region. This is called migration. And the peoples who change, peoples who move from one place to another place, the persons of peoples are called migrants. The process is called migration, and the peoples who move from one place to another place, they are called migrants. Clear? Next point is type of migration. There are two types of migrations are there. One is internal migration and second one is external migration. What is internal? Internal means inside. So when people change within the same country, this type of movement is called internal migration. When people move within their same country, it is called internal migration. Or external means when people move from one country to another country. Just like one country means India to Pakistan. So this is another country. This type of migration is called external migration. Otherwise you can say international migration. It is clear? Next. So next, already I have told you the types of migration, but here I am telling you some special type of migration, immigration and emigration. What is immigration? Immigration means the process of coming to live permanently in a country, but that is not one's own. It is called immigration. Immigration, that means I am giving an example. Suppose I was living in Pakistan, but now I am coming in Australia. Okay, but Australia is not my own country. My own country is India, but I am coming in Australia for living permanently. Again I am repeating the process of coming to live permanently. That means I am coming in Australia to permanently in a country, but Australia is not my own country. So this type of migration is called immigration. I hope it is clear to all. Next, emigration. Emigration means, this is also simple, the process of living. Living means change. Living one's own country. Suppose this is India is my own country, but now I am leaving my own country and I am going to another country for permanent living. This type of migration is called emigration. Again I am repeating the process of leaving one's own country. One's own country, that means my own country is India. Now I am leaving my own country and I am going to live in another country. This type of migration is called emigration. Clear? So in every purpose there are different reasons also there. So migration, causes of migration, why people change their own place, why people migrate from one country to another. So the first point is lack of service. Lack of service means if there are different countries or different states are there are lack of service, low opportunities of services. For that purposes, people sometimes move from one country to one state to another state. Next one is lack of safety. Lack of safety. We all the person all time we watch first of all our first need is safety. If you want to live properly, we should follow our safety also. So for safety purpose, sometimes people change their own place, people change their country, people change one region to another due to safety purpose. Next one is high crime. High crime is political purpose. Nowadays there are too much political problems are going. For that reason, some people change their own place. Next one is crop failure. Crop failure for specialty farmers. In some states are there immature infertile land. For that purpose farmers do not grow their crops properly, and due to this also sometimes they change their own place. And last one is flood. Due to flood prone area, people sometimes change their places. So these are the causes of migration. These are the causes of change the place from one to another. Next one is displacement. Displacement means change in position. Suppose A position moves in B. So that means displacement. Change in position of an object is known as displacement. Suppose this is a pen. The pen moves in my hand to table. So this is displacement. The pen changes their own place. This type of change is called displacement. People, those who forced to leave their homes and move to another places, called displaced people. Already I have told that migrants, people who move one place to another, these are called migrants. Just like same, people who forced to change their place, these are called displaced people. Displacement is a process of change and displaced people are persons. Next one is refugees. What is the meaning of refugees? Refugees means persons or people, those who have not their permanent address or particular address. They all time move from one place to another place to live. This type of person, this type of peoples are called refugees, because refugees do not have their permanent address. Clear? And government provides them shelter. Government provides them shelter. That means refugees. Refugees provided shelter through government. Next one is demolition. What is demolition? Demolition, the word demolition means destruction. Destruction means ruined, break down. Destruction meaning break down. So here the word demolition means destruction of people's home by the government. Why demolished by government? Because of construction purpose. Construction purpose means making flyover, making dams, bridges, etc. For that purposes, sometimes government demolished people's home. So today's that's all. Hope it is clear to all of you.